Okay, money stories. How Andrew Tate built a $50 million net worth. Today's agenda: early life, career, achievements and failures, lessons learned. So, early life. Andrew Tate was born and raised in Washington, D.C. until his mother and father divorced, which resulted in him moving to Luton in England with his mother and brother. He's mixed race, with his father being African American. His father was an international chess master. Andrew Tate learned how to play chess from a young age, where he participated and won competitions against adults. So, starting off with kickboxing, in 2005, Andrew Tate began learning both boxing and martial arts. By 2008, he had become the seventh best lightweight kickboxer in the UK by the ISKA, International Sport Kickboxing Association. Then, after retiring from kickboxing in 2016, he appeared in the popular TV reality show Big Brother, but was removed from the show due to a leaked video of him hitting a woman. Then, webcam business. Since then, Andrew Tate and his brother Tristan Tate have run a profitable webcam studio with 75 lingerie models, where fans can purchase calls, private shows, and give tips to the ladies. In 2021, Andrew Tate launched Hustlers University, an online platform which teaches people how to make money online, which grew in popularity along with his controversial social media presence. Now, in 2022, Andrew Tate and his brother Tristan Tate were accused and charged with human trafficking, rape, and forming an organized crime group. So this is his career thus far. Achievements and failures. Andrew Tate won 2 International Sport Kickboxing Association world titles. His final win made him world champion in 2 weight divisions prior to retiring. During 2022, Andrew Tate became the 3rd most searched person in the world on Google after Donald Trump and Queen Elizabeth, but since had many social media accounts banned. Towards the end of 2022, Andrew Tate, his brother Tristan Tate, and 2 other suspects were arrested for accusations of human trafficking, rape, and forming an organized crime group. Now, according to Celebrity Net Worth, his net worth is $50 million, accumulated from his kickboxing career, social media appearances, webcam business, Hustlers University, and other business ventures, to name a few. So, lessons learned. What's to be learned from Andrew Tate's career? Build a legit business to prevent from being investigated. Andrew Tate has gone under, a lot of investigation of recent, and this is prior to him actually being arrested, and this is due to a lot of controversial things that he said on the internet. I mean, he's mentioned a lot of times about him doing business ventures in Romania because he had moved to Romania at one point, but he's also mentioned about lots of other things he's done, which has caused a lot of controversy. And if you're going into business and you're bringing a lot of controversial attention to yourself, where potentially HMRC or the police or any, governments may, prior to this, basically look into your business or look into you to see whether you're doing anything dodgy. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that your business is legit. You don't want to be going into business doing something that is shady or a scam or fraudulent. Then it's all that's going to happen is that even if you achieve success from it, it's going to get closed down, or you're going to lose all the success that you've made. So, putting all the effort that you're putting into making yourself successful, rich and wealthy, you want to make sure that that thing can last. Get rich slowly is long lasting compared to getting rich fast. The problem is that with a lot of get rich, fast ideas and concepts and business models and, things to do, they're here today, they're gone tomorrow. You might make some money very quickly, but then it's not long lasting. It's a fad. The get rich slowly things, the things that I'm telling you, like saving and investing, looking after your money, managing your money, personal finance, improving your value, building a legit business. These things are get rich slowly. They're not going to happen overnight. So as a result, these things are, and maybe not as appealing to you or to many people, but it's going to be a lot longer lasting. It's going to be something that's going to be there to stay. So what's the point in getting rich quickly if it's going to be gone tomorrow? And keep your personal views on politics, religion, and sexuality to yourself. You don't need to, present that to the world, especially if you're trying to, build your net worth. You're trying to become highly valuable, trying to become rich, wealthy, and successful. You're trying to improve your personal finances and get yourself in a good position. You don't really want to be meddling with politics, religion, and sexuality in the middle of things of what you're doing. Keep that separate. It has nothing to do with what you're doing to make money. Build something that will be around long enough for you and your loved ones to benefit from. Like I was saying, it's like the get rich quick stuff, that's not going to be here for generations to come. You want to do something that can be there for, if you've got children or you've got grandchildren or you hope to have some in the future, build something that image that even they can, benefit from, not just yourself, something that you can pass down. Action items for today's video are as follows. 1. I want you to build a profile on social media. Like you've seen with Andrew Tate, he's built quite a substantial media presence online. So you can do the same thing for whatever you're doing. And this is really going to help you and benefit you in the future. Because if you can build some sort of an audience, then when it comes to time that you want to try and generate some money, make some money, having a big audience is going to help you to, make money, because you can push things to that audience to generate money and you can have some influence. 2, deliver valuable content each day. So once you've got this audience that you've built up and you've created, you need to be starting to deliver something valuable to them. You can't just, give them nonsense. So I want you to decide what you can give to that audience that you're building on your social media profile. What can you deliver to them? It can be anything that you have knowledge on, anything that you have skills, expertise, or an interest or hobby or passion, you name it. Just deliver something valuable to these people and watch that audience steadily grow over time. And then as that grows, you actually become more valuable, which ultimately means that you can actually make more money in the future too. Do you understand? Because this is a get rich slowly thing. This is not like you start building a social media presence today and then you're going to have 1 million followers within a month or two. This could be 1 million followers within a few years though. So just keep at it. And yeah, just letting you know, we've launched your first 25K, the online course, and you'll learn exactly what it takes to go from 0 to 25K in 20 months or less. Here's a little preview of what it looks like inside. We'll be going through multiple modules on everything you need to know to get your money right and to get you to your first 25K. You'll be learning everything that you need to, apply and implement in order to get you there. And sign up today, get immediate access to module 1 of the course completely free. So if you want to go ahead with that, go to the link in the description or the bio and you will get module 1 straight away and you can start, implementing what I'm teaching you. And as usual, I want you to like, subscribe and share. Leave a comment below and I'll give you my 2 cents.